this hat and this hood were $197. And I'm never going to wear them again, probably. Technically, renting your regalia is $197, but you only have to return the gown when you rent. Out of the kindness of their hearts, I suppose you get a bit of a memento. 2 weeks ago, I finished my PhD at MIT, technically Harvard at MIT. You can see a lovely photo of me holding my department certificate. In fact, it's actually over here. You actually get two. I have the MIT certificate that they give you when you walk, and there is absolutely nothing in it. And then I also have my department's certificate, which will probably be what you see in the thumbnail, which looks like that. We got two very fun logos up in there. It does not feel quite real yet. It is very odd to be done, but also I'm excited to be back, I guess. If you don't know me and somehow happened across this video, I'm Jordan. I make videos usually about AI and society and how we interact with AI systems. I used to be a PhD candidate at MIT and Harvard through this program called the Health Science Technology Program until 2 weeks ago when I graduated. I thought about vlogging graduation so that I could take you guys along, but I started this channel right before I started my PhD 8 years ago. And because of that, you guys have been following along for the entire ride, essentially up until maybe the last 6 months, where I just had my head down finishing my dissertation. So I'd kind of rather let you guys steer the ship. So drop your questions in the comments. I'm going to do a Q&A video. It can be about grad school. It can be about the current state of AI. It can be about, I don't know, other questions that come to mind. And I will pick some and answer them next week. If there are topics that you'd be interested in seeing videos around, definitely drop those in the comments as well, because I'm starting to brainstorm what the next few months of videos are going to look like. I do have some stuff that's already in the pipeline, but I am always looking for inspiration for new topics and just want to know what y'all are into right now. And as I've been getting back into the flow of content and doing workshops and the live courses, both of these are still happening. I'm actually going to run another cohort of AI IRL. If you guys missed the first live cohort sometime this fall, there will be a waitlist sign-up link in the description if that's something that you're interested in. And I'll drop more info about what the course was down there. For anyone who wanted to do either AI IRL or the Craft Your AI Manifesto courses/workshops, I did package all those together as a self-guided course in Notion. So if for whatever reason the timing didn't work out for you when it comes to the live course, or you just prefer to kind of take your time through taking courses, you can also get that in the links in the description. In fact, I'm going to put like a QR code on screen that will just take you to all of these things because I feel like that might be more straightforward. I'm also thinking about putting together some sort of like Discord community thing where we're going to have like a book club and talk about similar things to the topics that get covered in the live course, and maybe have existential crises about AI, but teach each other about like what we're doing and develop some community around that. But yeah, I'm excited to be back. I'm excited to hang out with all y'all again. I'm excited to make videos. And I'm also excited to be done with the PhD. I had so many ups and downs in grad school, one of them being a global pandemic. And I also went straight through from undergrad to grad school. So this is the first time in my life that I've not been in school. So if anyone has tips on that, then like hit me up. Because it's been 2 weeks and it's super weird. Leave questions for the Q&A, topics that you'd be interested in having me cover, etc., down in the comments. If you'd like to see more of my day-to-day life, you can follow me on Instagram because that's actually where I post a lot more just like regular everyday stuff. And you can also follow me on Substack. I always forget about Substack. I used to do a lot more long-form writing there, and I'm also very excited to be getting back to that. But otherwise, I will see y'all in the next one.